Hey, let me show you how we can add Google Assistant into PowerKey on a Samsung S25. So we can actually do this, but you will have to start by setting up Google Assistant as default on your phone. So you have to just open Gemini, for example, or you can simply go into Google application. So let's go right here. There we go. Now move into right upper corner, select settings, open the Google Assistant, and you have to be sure that you simply switch this on in the general settings, just right here. And also, when you search for Gemini, which should be available somewhere here, there we go. If you are using actually Gemini, you have to be sure that you switch from this one to Google Assistant. There we go. And right now you will have to open the Galaxy Store. You will have to get this application, Good Lock, download it and open. And right now just wait for opening screen, go into Register. You have to find this plugin. And right now you have to select side key press and hold action and select access your Google Voice Assistant. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.